Giovanni trying to close in on second place, Donnie Schatz. David Gravel absolutely destroying the field late in this caution on the speedway. Sheldon Haudенschild's car had spun off of the racetrack, was clearly out of danger, so we did not wave the caution flag. Haudenschild has just thrown his helmet onto the racetrack to bring out the caution, so there will be disciplinary action taken there. Donnie Schatz in second, Paulie Colagiovanni in third.
For the lead out of turn number 4, Bruning to the inside of Winger. Tyler Bruning saved the best for last. There's 2 to go. White flag the next time by there. 10 even bike.
Down the back straightaway, Ashton Winger cuts off the momentum from the 16 of Tyler Bruning. Rick, bring us home with 1 to go. Baby, look at him come down the front straightaway.
Oh my, Garrett Smith, your new leader, slide job in turn number 2. Winger answers back. It's a hornet's nest for the top 4. Everybody mixing it up. The gloves are off. It's a Donnybrook coming out of 4. Winger breaks. Garrett Smith wins. Garrett Alberson will come home second. Third will go to Tyler Bruning. Fourth will go to Jimmy Owens. Max Blair fifth. Oh my goodness, they just took the gloves off and beat the hell out of each other.
Turn number 1 and 2. Logan Martin actually got a piece of Ryan Gustin, and that's when the 8, the 99 junior, and the 757 all decided to come and play. Turn number 4 for the white. This is the Barons. 1 lap to go. He has led 99 circuits. He'll head down the backstretch for the final time. For the 80th time in his career and the 3rd time here at Falls, Sheppard wins. Sheppard wins. The Prairie Dirt Classic goes to the rocket chef Brandon Sheppard.
McKinney just has to stay smooth on the top side. That right rear quarter panel all the way up against the wall. White flag, 1 to go for the final race of 2022. Down the back straightaway, Hoffman down low. Does he have enough? 1 final push for Nick Hoffman. He'll pull alongside, side by side, coming to the checkered flag. Off of corner number 4, Mike McKinney, $5,000 richer.
Now McDougal, and leads him across for lap number 6. Meanwhile, 1 up and over Mahako. A wicked ride out to the wall. Red flag comes out.
Takes advantage of that and extends his lead big. Rico into the 2nd spot. Courtney back to 3rd.
Car to the wall, upside down.
Aaron Reitzel.
Hunter Schoenberg.
87 of James Park. Cade Lewis, the 71M car there as well, able to clear around the outside of Schatz. Oh, we got 1 up and over. McIntosh. A complete barrel roll in the air. I don't think he touched the USAC Racing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, it's time to drop the hammer. Good start up front. Dominic Gordon. Now you got to remember, we got 1 over. Mariah Eads going to be a race leader up front for that number 71 car. Pedals down the back chute. Here comes Cal down the inside. Look out, it's going to back it up across the racetrack. Everybody trying to avoid. Oh, we're going to capsize 1 right there at the tail as well. Insult to injury. Out turn number 2 and down the back straightaway. Side by side action. Deep back in the fields. We got 1 up and over. Hang on to it. Tough tumble for the 89 car, Mitchell Moles. See what happened with Mitchell Moles and just that hop, skip, and a jump, and wow! Caught it with the front end and just whipped him around.
Yeah, that's a little hard to. Let's get another look at that, chat.
It's right there. That's The bounce of disaster into a cartwheel catastrophe, I think is how you would play that ounce.
And T-Bez got a bird's eye view of it. Cannon Mcintoch, or Buddy, hits to win. That's it.
Win indeed as we bring him out to turn number 4 and put him back underway. 3 laps to go. Mcintoch down on the inside. Kofoid going to try to turn it. Here comes Justin Grant Meserol back behind Kyle Larson as well. Kofoid deep down into the corner. Goes up, looks for the wall, ricochets off, takes him across. Now 2 laps to go that time by. Mcintoch right back at him again. Can't get there in time. Look into turn number 3. Up front, Buddy Kofoid going to pick up the BC39 win.